Have you always wanted to have a dock on the Tivoli River, which takes you out to the ocean? Well, this one's got a 271 Davis Road in Richmond Hill. Is a 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath home with 3,515 square feet, great sized decks for entertaining, and a brand new dock. Let's go check it out.
Camera ready, action. Yeah, I do it like. Lights, camera ready, action. Do you know what I mean?
All right, all brick. You see your side entry garage, which I love. And we're gonna go check out that dock here shortly, but there's tons to check out in this home. I love it. But look at this porch first off. How many rocking chairs can you fit on this porch? At least 25. I'm not sure, but it's more likely 25. No cats though, because then they would get their tails torn up. But as you walk in here, I love walking in here. I mean, you can see you got 2 ways to get upstairs. One's that way, one's on the back side. But as you walk in, great living room right here with a real fireplace, wood fireplace tiled around it. Love these floors going out there. A lot of natural light coming in from the large windows here. I love that. But before we go any further this way, I don't want to miss the office that we got going on right here. Or not, excuse me, not office. Dining area right here. Great for family events, parties, all that good stuff. And it takes you into the kitchen. Granite countertops right here, as you can see. Love the tile backsplash. These cabinets are really cool, kind of like a old folksy kind of way. All the appliances come with this. Love the stainless steel appliances got in here. Very nice. And then another eating area right here. Then back into this great living room area, leading into what is used as an office. He was a baseball player, as you can tell. Large, I love the built-ins they got here. Perfect for any kind of office setup, or you could use this for a craft room or whatever you like. Let's come on down here. You see one of the full bathrooms right here, shower tub combo, quartz countertops into this guest bedroom. This guest bedroom's probably fit you a queen in here. Good for, of course, guests or small children. All right. Now, let's go to the primary bedroom, because the primary bedroom is it's got a great shot to the outside, to the lake, or the river, excuse me. And the bathroom is to die for. So let's go in here. Of course, large enough to fit a king size bed and an order track, as you can see. Great views out to the Tivoli River and to the deck. So you're always part of the entertainment going on. And this bathroom is gorgeous. Look at all this tile. Jetted tub, separate shower, which is really cool. Look at that. Like the glass door, multiple heads. I mean, plenty of space to take a shower, obviously. And then love the dual vanity quartz countertop, or granite countertop once again, and the same same cabinets as we have in the kitchen. Closet for a shower, and a nice closet with built-ins in there. Now let's go upstairs. I love the way they use this space. This space could be used in all kinds of different ways. Obviously a bedroom, if you wanted to, right? It's got the closets. It's got some storage space right here in these end cuts. And then of course they got the bed right there. So they're using this for a bedroom. But I love the way it's laid out. Weird kind of coming up here though, as you can see, I'll show you. So when you came up the stairs, you could only go right? So that's kind of strange, but that's okay. And then you get access to this full bathroom, tiled all the way in. I really love the bathroom in there. And then you come down here to the gangway. Look, you can look down to all the living spaces down there. And then got a little wet bar right here. Great living space right here. You just chill, relax. Check out the river. You're just looking out from here. Also has a Jack and Jill bathroom, full bathroom, shower only, that leads into another bedroom right here. Nice size bedroom. You say it'd be perfect for the children or maybe guests. let's go check out the dock, or the deck actually. Let's go down there first. So now we're outside on the deck, and it goes out to the brand new dock, which I'm excited to see. But what could you do out here? How many parties could you have? Weddings, reception, anything that you want to do. I love the bricked in grill right there. But man, just all kinds of different spots to have a good time. Love that. And then let's make our way out to the dock, the main event. It's a long walk out here, right? But it takes you right out the Tivoli River. Like I said, you can get out to the ocean here, but look at these beautiful views. That's kind of like your main road to get right into here. So that takes you all the way to 95. So you're really not that far from the Richmond Hill High School, which is right up the road. And then right past that is the Del Webb, Heartwood, 95. You can get anywhere. They're putting in 2 new grocery stores not too far from here. So this place is about to explode. I can't wait to see what it looks like when they're done. So that was 271 Davis Road in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any home in Richmond Hill, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.